People, and this is my eighth video of the day, and I'm reviewing this Abhishek Bachchan movie, which was his debut film, really, called Refugee. This movie, I mean, as of yesterday, I was reviewing cult films. So, honestly, in its own way, it was, yeah, maybe not cult film, but it was like a spectacular debut, like both Kareena Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan is, I mean, the music, and this is one of few films I've seen where the lyrics almost they overpower the music. I mean, like, or let's say they're neck to neck. But again, full marks to Javed Akhtar Saab for giving us, since the title of the film also was Refugee. So, um, I mean, it is very profound, yeah, when you think of the lyrics and, right from the end, special mention needs to be made of, the cinematographer of this film, that it was a very well shot film. So, 5-star rating for it, people, and just go and watch it. I mean, it's when you see this film, you will understand why Abhishek Bachchan is Abhishek Bachchan and Kareena Kapoor reached the heights that she did, because considering it was their debut film, both of them, I mean, they kind of, the audience was in for a treat. It was spectacular film. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.